Hi crafters, this is Crafty Savvy and I'm back today to do a quick video with you. I just wanted to tell you that I hope to be starting a new project, so a journal, and I was in contact with Jarf from Medieval Mirage, and I am on her design team, I was going to say project, but I was looking through her very beautiful and incredible Etsy shop for some new kits to play with, and I came across one of her latest. This is not her very newest, but it is pretty new, and it is incredible. It's stunning and it's beautiful, and I can't wait to start playing with it. This particular set, well, there's actually two kits, and then there's also you could also get the journal pages and so much more with this. It's enormous, actually, and I can't wait to dive into it. It's called Antique Letters, Ledgers, and Ladies. So try saying that 3 times fast. But there it is right there. And from Medieval Mirage. I'll post all of her information at the bottom of the video so that you can go over and check it out for yourself. This one and so many others. Please show her some love. She's incredible, talented, eloquent, such a nice person inside, straight in her heart. So please go and show her some love if you can. And yeah, but I just wanted to take you through this quite quickly, and I wanted to actually show you some of the pages before I start doing my best to cut into it. It's going to take me a little while to complete a project, but I hope to try to do my best to keep going with making a journal. Hopefully recording what I can. I may have to just do some things and then sort of edit videos together so that I can produce something, just because of what I'm going through. I don't want to bore you guys with so much slow cutting and gluing and such. So I'm going to do my best to sort of take you through it, because I think this is going to prove to be a lot of fun. So yeah, so she wrote, there are volumes 1 and 2, and then there's, so 3 big kits, journal pages, volumes 1 and 2. So, it's all, I printed the whole thing, and you don't have to purchase, I don't think, you can obviously get what kit you prefer. But I'm greedy and I just wanted it all. But the images are stunning. I mean, you can cut these out, tags, and so that's how I prepare myself to start a journal. I like to cut down what I have. I made an error last time. I sort of started backing everything, and then sometimes I found that I had to reprint stuff because the backing I had wasn't really what I wanted. And so I think what I'm going to do is this time I will just cut everything out and just leave it plain. And look at these images. And then sort of once I start putting it into a journal, I can back things later, or because I think I was a little hasty last time. These images are stunning. I just printed it all onto copy paper. Yeah, so there's so much to do, so much interactive pieces that you can use. Let me just take a flip through this. So there's like background pages. Like, these colors are stunning. My camera is, I don't know, I'm gonna have to play around because I don't think the colors are, but that's a beautiful like greeny blue. So could fold those up, postcards and envelopes. It's just endless. And I've been dying to get my hands on that. I love anything, ladies, ledgers, letters, anything like that. So I was telling Jarf that I have had the urge to create another sort of, for lack of a better term, feminine journal. I haven't really played around with lace and things like that in a little while. So that's what I'm anxious to do. So yeah, there are so many things to cut out. There's like fussy cutting, you can even like flowers, all sorts of things. The torn pages, corner pockets, like that's, you know, for edges. Everything matches so beautifully. Like I said, Jarf is very talented and so good-hearted, you guys. Yeah, so that's enormous. Just that is huge. You could make several journals with that. Then there's this, so another background paper there. Like several background papers. This is more like the letters, I guess. But look at the images, and they're so bright and beautiful. Vintagey and antique looking. I love it so much. I can hardly wait. Yeah. So sort of mapping out the whole thing in my head. I'm not really too sure how exactly. Sorry, I'm having a hard time turning these pages. I'm going to try to go this way. Yeah, about really how I want it to look. But you know how that goes. You just start doing and the whole thing comes together. But I have lots of things to choose from. Look at the beautiful ledger. And there's no duplicates here. These are like all one-offs. Like there are so many images. It's unreal. The background pages are beautiful. I'm loving this green. Oh, just look how subtle. You know, we can see the rose in there. And so yeah, I'm looking forward to that sort of feminine vibe. And what I mean by that is just like, you know, more laces and trims and but there, look at, you can cut out a whole bunch of things with labels and all kinds. There's multiple pages. There's sayings, which I believe there's also multiple pages of that. Look, they're beautiful. She makes it so easy. You just, oh, there's a third page like that. Frames and such, little labels. Yeah, she makes it very, very easy to create a beautiful project, which isn't that hard to do when you have such beautiful papers to work with. So again, there's another enormous is the word I'd like to use, kit. And then there's this portion. Look at that. How beautiful. Sorry, I gotta go from the back and turn it this way. Yeah, so I couldn't wait to get home on Friday night to come home and come downstairs and print all of this stuff. Then I ended up having problems with my ink, and then, oh, I was getting so frustrated. And then my husband came down, tried to help. But I finally got it going. Look how beautiful. And then I was down here for at least a few hours, and I printed this all out and started to clean up so I can get going, because I like a clean desk when I start a new project. And even though I know it might take me a little while, I wanted to try as much as I can do. I'm going to do. And I made that promise when Jarf was kind enough to ask me to be on the design team. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to it. There are some, and I love these journaling pages. I love to put, I usually will print multiples of this sort of thing because they're nice throughout a journal to be able to have that actual writing space. Like this is stunning. Yeah, look at that. I'm going to bring that up close for you to see. Images are just stunning. I'm always so impressed. I don't even have a single clue how to do anything like this. And I always admire people who do or have the ability to put this kind of stuff together like this. It is, it's art, and I love that. Oil paintings, watercolors. Yeah, so I just wanted to sort of go through the papers with you a little bit. Sorry I'm a little fumbly, but before I started cutting into it, you know, cutting things down, and then as I'm creating, it's just easier for me once things are cut down. That's just sort of the way I do it. So more journaling pages. That might be a duplicate just because, oh, maybe I printed 3 because I knew that I would use something like this quite a bit. That's a different one there. It is stunning. I just wanted to show that to you, and I'm going to move on a little bit now. Like I said, so hopefully I can start recording, record as I go along. Let's just see how it goes. And that's all. So once again, I just want to say a big, massive thank you to Jarf from Medieval Mirage. You are a lovely person, a lovely friend. I truly appreciate you having me on your design team, and for sending me these beautiful, beautiful kits to work with. And I'm excited and looking forward to it. And to everybody else, I hope that you're all taking good care of yourselves, staying well and warm. And yeah, hopefully we'll see each other soon while we're working on this beautiful journal. And we'll talk to you all very, very soon. Take good care of yourselves. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching and subscribing. And we will see you in the next video. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.